Hello guys, No.1 here with another video, and in this video we are going to start a new series of videos, and they will be called Nerd's Delight, where I will fix things like you have been installing, let's say, ArchLinux, because most of the time it does it, whereby your Arch install failed to complete all the packages needed to boot. Like sometimes you find that in the middle of installing ArchLinux, you find that it has not installed your environment and like desktop environment and login manager. So here I have an install of ArchLinux. Let's try to log in. So then let's say that you are trying to install ArchLinux, but it crashed on you, and the packages were not unable to get installed to have a graphical interface, and also you are stuck, you don't know what to do here. So here it shows that the machine is fully installed, only the graphical tools are not there. So we are going to start here. We will start with installing the Xorg. We use Xorg, and we are going to install the XFCE environment and LightDM, and then after that we will configure. So the packages we need is Xorg, and I think I have Xorg here. Let me see, where is Xorg? Yeah, I have it. So maybe let's install XFCE and LightDM, then we start from there. Sudo pacman. We'll install XFCE for goodies. LightDM GTK Grira setting. Is it settings? I think so. And I think let's start with those ones, then we see. I think my internet will delay us. I'm going to pause the video, then I will come back to continue. So the install failed here, and again, this is the thing I wanted to show you. Like sometimes ArchLinux may complain, may throw errors. So here you just install install the key rings, you update them. pacman is ArchLinux key ring. Again, I'll come back after the install has finished. Okay, let's do it again. We see. When something like this happens, whereby you are plugged in a TTY, you don't have a graphical interface, you don't need to reinstall your distro. You just install the packages which had failed to be installed. Most of people, when they got into this type of scenario, they get stressed and panic, and they decide to install afresh, but I think it's not required. Alright, we have got the error we had previously. It was because of the key rings were not updated, and we are not updated. So we have got our graphical interface. Let's do sudo systemctl systemctl enable. We are enabling the light DM. Yeah, the light DM, and I think let's start it here. So we have got our graphical interface, and if at all we didn't have the Xorg server, we would have installed Xorg, XF86 video, MD GPU, I think, XF86 video, anti, I think even XF86 video, novel, is it novel, or I don't know, but I think even that one will be required. Ribva Mesa drivers, and Ribva Intel driver, Intel media driver, Vulkan, Radeon, I think even that one, and etc. But here we had our Xorg installed, only the graphical user interface, XFCE. It's the one we have installed instead of in place of environment, desktop environment. And also we have got our login manager as LightDM. So here it needs theming only, and only theming, then you start using. I don't think we have even Firefox. I don't think so. Yeah, we don't have Firefox. We can install that one. Sudo pacman. In fact, maybe I install my okay, let's just install pacman. Install the Firefox. And also another thing, I'm sure that you can use your machine, your ArchLinux, without even the AUR packages, because as me, I can use my machine with only official packages from pacman. I have some packages I will need from AUR, but those are the packages which I have to put in my repo in the ArchLinux repo, but as it is concerned to put them for you guys, I have to do it. But as me, I don't think that in AUR I need much packages. I think I have like there are not even more than 10 packages there. Alright, we have got our graphical interface. Let's get to our Firefox. Then we install our theme. Then we stop there. Alright, here let's use the Bring XFCE theme. We get can we get the node or Gravebox? Let's get these ones. Let me see. Let me see the one we should use here. I think let's install this one. Dark, yeah. And we need icons. Let me see the icons we'll need to install. Let's remove this one. We have already got our theme. Sorry, icon. Let's use the Firo. Yeah, these ones. Use these ones. And cursor theme, let's use future cursor. Yeah, these ones. We use that one, this pack. Alright, those are the themes we need to theme our distro, our ArchLinux distro. Extract here. Okay. That one. We have used this command. There is a video I showed you how to extract the archives. The first one was this one. We have used this one. There is different here. The switches are different, and so for the next one, the node, we will use the same xf node. Alright, we have got our themes. So here we'll make some directories. We will make icons directory, and another one we'll get another one .themes. So in icon we will get the cursor theme and icon theme here. And then in theme I will get the node. How many are these? Yeah, it's just one inside. Alright, we will paste it here. Then again I'll have to forward it a sudo copy recursive force this one to user share themes there. We put it there. Then cd icons. So we have gone to icon here. Also this one we will push them. Sudo copy recursive force these ones here, and we will take it to user. We'll take them to user. Share icons there, and then I think we will need a wallpaper, which I forgot, like dark gray wallpaper. Okay, yeah, let's see if we can get one here, any randomly. See which one will work for us. Those ones, they cannot work. Let's take this one. That one. I don't think those ones will work because the file format. Let's see here. This might not work. or this one. I don't like its extension. That's why I'm not so sure that they will help us because of this extension here. But let's go on. We will change the extension, then we see. We'll find out if they can work for us. But these ones, I wanted just random wallpaper to use, but I think these ones won't help us. Let me close this one. I don't think we need them. Let's see. Will they work really? I don't think so. They might fail. Okay, let's leave that one. We continue with our general theming, our distro. So sudo pacman. We will need ls appearance, and fe and hset root. Those are the packages we will need. I'm installing fe and hset root for further videos when we are to configure the window manager. They will help us. Alright, let's start theming. Node theme. We'll have this one. We'll get this one. I have to put them there. Let's leave that one to be like the way they are, and then we will go to setting again, window manager. Yes, here. Now let's make it minimal, and let's try to trick it. To go to tricks, we see if I think here we are good. We don't need to change anything here. Okay, let's see. Alex appear res there is an option which I'm looking for, but not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Let's go to this one. This comes to this side, and then this one. I think this one, it comes in the corner. So 1 second. Let's Let me see. Yeah, okay, let's see if XFCE has the wallpaper we will need, which will match our theme. I don't think we have any here. We don't have a wallpaper. We have to get one. Oh, we have to get a wallpaper. Let's get a wallpaper. Gray HD 4K. Let's say desktop. Yeah, these ones we will get one which will work for us. Yeah, this one looks nice. Let's take that one. Also that one. I think these ones will work for us. Yeah. Where are they? This one, this one, this one. Cut. Then we'll paste them here, and we'll take them somewhere to sudo copy wallpapers to user share share wallpaper, I mean background there. It's where and the reason why here I've not used recursive force is that these are not folders for those who are new to Linux. And then I think we will remove this directory because it will disturb us. Let me remove this directory. Sudo remove. There is a directory I need to remove. User, share, backgrounds, okay, backgrounds, xfce. Yeah, it has gone. So let's start our, yeah, it has failed to go. It has failed. Okay, let me go there myself. cd sudo let me see. Backgrounds, this one, we need this one to go. Yeah, we don't need that one. Alright, let's set our wallpaper. Okay, yeah, here. Alright, we have that one, and this one. Let's use that one. I think it isn't shining on eyes. So let's start. Here we will theme our terminal. We disable scroll, border. I always get confused with this one. Yeah, that is it. Alright, use system. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, this is our terminal. And then for